last way we learned to find slope was using our slope formula, which was y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's really our change in y over our change in x. The triangle stands for change. So we're going to label our points. X, y, that's our first point, they get 1s. X, y, this is our second point, they get 2s. So we're going to plug them in to this equation here. First, y2 minus y1. We really have 5 minus 5. And then on the bottom, x2 minus x1, 2 minus x1 is a negative 2, so be careful, those two negatives make a positive. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. This is okay if we look at our poster, so it's really just 0. We have a slope of 0. This graph would be walking straight across from left to right. Next, label your points. X, y, first point, x, y, second point. So plugging in y2 minus y1, we have 10 minus 3. And then on the bottom, x2 minus x1, negative 10 minus a negative 5. Be careful with the double negatives, they make a positive. So 10 minus 3 is 7. And negative 10 plus 5, there's more negatives. There's 5 more, so it would be 7 over negative 5, or negative 5/7, or 7/5, sorry. Last one, label your points. X, y, first point, x, y, second point. Again, y2 minus y1, we have 5 minus 1. And then x2 minus x1, we have 1 minus a negative 7. Two negatives make a positive. 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 plus 1, or 1 plus 7, is 8. So we can really simplify this by dividing by 4. And we get 1 over 2. 4/8 is the same as, or simplified, 1/2. That is our review. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, your homework